Number 1.
2005 Chopper. Price $8,000. Location Amarillo, Texas. For sale is a 2005 custom chopper that blends raw power, timeless style, and modern upgrades into one unforgettable machine. At its heart sits the mighty SNS 117 cubic inch engine, delivering massive torque and thrilling acceleration, paired seamlessly with a Baker's 6-speed transmission for smooth yet aggressive shifting. The sound of the Vance and Hines exhaust announces your arrival long before you're seen, while the open primary adds to the authentic chopper vibe and mechanical beauty. The Springer front end not only completes the classic look but also ensures a solid, comfortable ride. This bike has been meticulously cared for, with numerous new parts and components replaced within the last year, making it as reliable as it is stunning.
Number 2.
2004 BMC Notorious 918. Price $6,100. Mileage 9,000 miles. Location Buda, Texas. Here's your chance to own a 2004 BMC Big Mike's Notorious 918 Chopper, a true street beast built with attitude and raw power. At its core roars a RevTech 100 CI engine, 1,648 cubic centimeters, delivering thunderous performance that makes every twist of the throttle a rush of adrenaline. This chopper doesn't whisper, it growls, and its presence alone turns heads. With some rust that only adds to its gritty, hardcore vibe, it still runs strong and comes with a clean title, ready to dominate the road. It does need fresh tires, but that's just a small price for the rare power and style this machine offers. Bikes like this rarely show up for under $6,500. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a monster with personality, demanding a rider with the strength, guts, and swagger to tame it.
Number 3.
2003 American IronHorse. Price $7,900. Mileage 1,800 miles. Location Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Up for grabs is a 2003 American IronHorse, a custom-built chopper with incredibly low miles, just 1,800 on the engine. This machine is pure attitude on two wheels, equipped with a belt drive and tuned to deliver that deep, aggressive rumble every rider craves. Recently taken in on trade at a dealership for a truck, this bike is ready to hit the streets with its fresh power and mean stance. With its bold red finish, custom build quality, and road presence, it's the kind of motorcycle that makes people stop, stare, and listen. Test rides are welcome, but only with cash in hand. This IronHorse isn't here for games.
Number 4.
2003 American IronHorse Tejas. Price $7,500. Mileage 5,000 miles. Location Garland, Texas. for sale is a 2003 American IronHorse Tejas, a true Texas-born chopper with just 5,000 miles on the clock. This custom machine comes with a powerful 107 cubic inch engine, delivering that raw IronHorse performance that riders crave. The bike is extremely clean, showing off a slick black paint job that shines with attitude and style. It runs perfectly with no issues, making it as reliable as it is mean-looking. Backed by a clean Texas title, this Tejas is ready to own the road and turn heads wherever it goes. If you're reading this, it's still available, so don't wait too long, because bikes this clean and this powerful don't last.
Number 5.
2006 Custom Chopper. Price, $6,000. Location, Halotes, Texas. Up for grabs is a 2006 Custom Chopper, a true one-of-a-kind street-legal beast built on a Sam Wills frame with a 113 Ultima engine paired to an Ultima 6-speed transmission. This machine screams power with its Springer front end, loud pipes, and no front brake setup, pure old-school chopper attitude. Freshly upgraded with new tires, new paint, new wiring, oil lines, ignition, rebuilt carb, lights, and a lithium battery, it's as mechanically sound as it is visually stunning. The deep, rumbling pipes and slick custom paint make it a guaranteed showstopper, ready to own the streets and grab attention wherever it rolls. This isn't just a bike, it's a statement, a raw slice of two-wheeled rebellion.
Number 6.
2004 American IronHorse Texas Chopper. Price, $7,500. Mileage, 13,900 miles. Location, Comanche, Oklahoma. Here's your chance to own a 2004 American IronHorse Texas Chopper, a black and chrome beauty that blends raw muscle with timeless style. With just 13,900 miles, this machine is still young and hungry for the open road. The powerful V-twin engine, paired with a smooth manual transmission, delivers that deep, throaty rumble every rider craves. It's been well cared for, boasting a solid clutch, good tires, and a spotless finish that shines like liquid metal. Built to turn heads and ride hard, this Texas Chopper is more than a bike. It's a statement of freedom, attitude, and American steel. Cash only, no games. This beast is ready to ride today.
Number 7.
2004 Big Dog Motorcycles Bulldog. Price, $15,500. Mileage, 3,001 miles. Location, Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. This 2004 Big Dog Bulldog is a true showstopper with only 3,001 original miles, barely broken in and ready to roar. Drenched in a deep burgundy candy red with ghost flames, it shines in the sun and glows under the streetlights, demanding attention wherever it rolls. The bike is loaded with plenty of chrome that gleams like liquid silver, perfectly complementing its bold paint. Built for those who want to ride in style and turn every head on the highway, this Bulldog isn't just a motorcycle, it's pure attitude on two wheels. Smooth, powerful, and unforgettable, it's the kind of ride that makes a statement before you even twist the throttle.
Number 8.
1962 Harley-Davidson XL. Price, $3,800. Mileage, 1 million miles. Location, Beaufort, South Carolina. This 1962 Harley-Davidson XLCH is pure, old-school iron with decades of history etched into its frame. Chopped back in the mid-60s, this black beauty has been a bar-hopping legend ever since, carrying stories of late nights, loud pipes, and open roads. She may be vintage, but she's still running strong, proving that true Harley soul never fades. With a clean and clear title in hand, this bike is more than just a ride. It's a living piece of motorcycle history, built for those who appreciate raw authenticity and timeless style. No gimmicks, no fluff, just a genuine, battle-tested chopper ready for the next rider bold enough to take her on.
Number 9.
2003 Harley-Davidson Chopper. Price, $3,500. Mileage, 8,500 miles. Location, Elmore City, Oklahoma. This 2003 Harley-Davidson Chopper is a raw, no-nonsense hardtail built to roar. Powered by a RevTech 100Ci motor paired with a RevTech 6-speed transmission and open primary, this beast is unapologetically loud, brutally fast, and impossible to ignore. With forward controls for that stretched-out riding stance and a surprisingly smooth ride for a hardtail, it delivers both attitude and performance. The bike runs strong, and the seller even rides it daily to work, proof of its reliability. All it needs is a fresh battery and a new rear tire down the road, but otherwise, this machine is ready to keep tearing up the streets.
Number 10.
2012 Honda Fury. Price, $4,500. Mileage, 12,000 miles. Location, Tomball, Texas. This 2012 Honda Fury is a striking, head-turning cruiser that perfectly blends modern engineering with classic chopper-inspired styling. Featuring a manual transmission, it offers smooth, responsive performance that makes every ride feel effortless. The awesome exhaust pipe produces a deep, thunderous growl, ensuring you'll be noticed wherever you go. Carefully garage-kept and boasting low mileage, this Fury has been meticulously maintained, with all systems in excellent working order. Its sleek lines, comfortable ergonomics, and subtle custom touches make it a perfect balance of style, power, and practicality. Whether cruising through city streets or hitting the open highway, this Honda Fury delivers an exhilarating experience that's equal parts thrill and reliability.
Number 11.
2011 Harley-Davidson Chopper. Price, $7,000. Mileage, 1,234 miles. Location, Amarillo, Texas. This 2011 Harley-Davidson Chopper is a stunning red hardtail with a classic oil-drip personality that true Harley enthusiasts love. Powered by a reliable Evolution engine featuring Elderbrook heads, brand new cylinders, pistons, and a performance cam, this bike delivers smooth, responsive power. An open primary adds a raw, aggressive edge, while new fluids and a fresh battery ensure it's ready to ride right out of the gate. Comes with a clean title and is fully prepped for the road or your next show.
Number 12.
1991 Harley-Davidson Springer. Price, $8,500. Mileage, 1,000 miles. Location, Daytona Beach, Florida. This 1991 Harley-Davidson Softail Springer is a true collector's gem with a custom candy blue paint job that gleams in the sunlight and turns heads at every corner. With only 1,000 miles, this bike rides like new and starts instantly, offering smooth, precise handling thanks to its classic Springer front end. The new exhaust adds a deep, throaty growl that perfectly complements the bike's aggressive yet elegant stance. Every detail has been carefully maintained, and it comes with a clean Harley-Davidson title, making it ready for immediate ownership and road adventures.
Number 13.
2002 BMC Chopper. Price, $5,500. Mileage, 36,058 miles. Location, Castle Rock, Colorado. This 2002 BMC Chopper is a striking V-twin 1,300 cubic centimeters beast with RevTech heads producing 110 horsepower, paired with a Mikuni carburetor and freshly installed throttle cables for crisp throttle response. The purple custom flame paint job pops against the gleaming chrome, while the belt drive and highway pegs make for smooth, extended rides. Recently serviced by a skilled shop owner, this bike is fully prepped and ready to roar down the open road. With its aggressive stance, head-turning paint, and meticulously maintained engine, this chopper isn't just a ride, it's an experience of freedom on two wheels. The deal even comes with 2 leather jackets, men's size 42, and leather chaps, making it perfect for anyone ready to hit the asphalt in style.
Number 14.
2007 Big Dog Motorcycles Mastiff. Price, $9,850. Mileage, 27,783 miles. Location, Wichita, Kansas. This 2007 Big Dog Mastiff packs a 117 cubic inch SNS V twin engine, roaring with power and precision. The bike features a rebuilt transmission just 500 miles ago, new OEM electronics with HC RIP kit, and a fully rebuilt clutch system for flawless shifting. Recent upgrades include rear tire, rear brakes, rear brake master cylinder, clutch pack and basket, fork uppers, fork seals, fork oil, carb rebuild, spark plugs, grips, and seat, along with a push-button keyless start with alarm control, all fluids flushed and ready for the road. Despite some minor paint flaws, this Mastiff is a mechanical masterpiece built for long, thrilling rides.
Number 15.
2009 Kawasaki Vulcan. Price: $4,500. Mileage: 22,550 miles. Location: Allen, Texas. This 2009 Kawasaki Vulcan is a custom bobber-style 900 cubic centimeters powerhouse, equipped with a Vance and Hines exhaust that roars with a deep, commanding tone. The bike's orange paint gleams under the sun, catching every eye as it cruises down the street. With a manual transmission and smooth handling, it's perfect for those who love the authentic feel of a classic ride with modern reliability. This Vulcan is a head-turner and thrill-giver, combining style, power, and the soul of a true bobber. Barely driven enough to show its full potential, it's ready to hit the open road with a new owner who will cherish every mile and enjoy the rumble of its Vance and Hines pipes. Clean title in hand and waiting for someone who's ready to embrace the ride of a lifetime.
Number 16.
1994 Other Custom. Price: $6,000. Mileage: 5,000 miles. Location: Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. This 1994 Other Custom is a true piece of biker history, custom built by a family friend and featured in Harley magazine when it was first unveiled. It packs a high-compression motor that demands respect, roaring to life with the help of compression releases. The manual transmission pairs perfectly with the engine's raw power, giving riders an authentic, hands-on experience. With fairly new tires and a sleek black exterior, this bike is as much a collector's gem as it is a rideable beast. The fuel tank may need relining due to prior rust, but once sorted, this rare custom will run and turn heads everywhere. With less than 5,000 miles and an Oklahoma title in hand, it's a rare chance to own a magazine-featured masterpiece that blends history, performance, and style into one unforgettable ride.